Good morning, guys. When y'all see this video, for me it's morning. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I just figured out something that I didn't figure out 2 weeks ago when I installed those fog lights. Only because, well, I have new headlights and I wasn't thinking. But let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, so I figured out 2 weeks ago I had my old headlights, and I will show y'all that here in a couple of seconds. But I had my old headlights, and I realized that I can actually hook up these power wires to the fogs to my actual headlights. And it didn't dawn on me until the other day. Well, actually, today. It didn't. Well, yesterday. Anyways, so that's what I'm gonna do. So this might end up being a short video. So if you looked at the previous video that I had where I hooked up these fog lights to the battery and to the ground, didn't realize that, well, I can actually hook them up to my headlights. I know I just repeated myself, but yeah, let me also show you what else I got. Hold on. So also I got these brace brackets from LMR because your boy was so busy last week that when he reversed the car out of the shop, I ended up backing up into my bumper and I ended up messing up this hinge in here. So what I'm gonna do is get this little support bracket right here and actually hook it up or install it because, well, I have a saggy bumper now. So let me get to that, and also let me show you what I was talking about with the previous headlights. They're in our little storage room back here. So let me show y'all. Okay. So these are the old headlights that I took off. And like I said, they were from a place called Simple Built. And these are the wires that actually hook up to the blinkers. So I couldn't splice the fogs to get power out of these blinkers right here. But like I said, knowing that I realized that I can actually hook up the power for the fogs up into my new headlights. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. It's gonna be very simple. It shouldn't take long. But I just wanted to let y'all know, if you're rocking new headlights, you can actually hook up those fogs to your switchbacks, side markers, where you can actually draw power. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, guys. I just wanted to let y'all know, but I'll show y'all here in a little bit after I'm done with everything. So I just wanted to know that if y'all end up getting these little brace brackets from LMR, you will have to drill these holes a little bit bigger. That's what I had to do because these bolts wouldn't fit through, but it's on there now. So yeah, and I had to get to this one later because this actually pulled out. So yeah, I'm going to have to redo these lights. But like I said, got a new headlights, and I can actually power the wires to the blinkers. So that's what I'm gonna do later on. For you, it'll be instant. For me, it'll be later. Okay, so, and there you have it. I actually have it on, and it has a memory setting, which I think is great. Now that I have the wires hooked up, of course I didn't want to use this little plug right here, as you can see. But yes, they actually work, and they have a memory setting. Yep, I think that's pretty cool. Nice. The only thing that sucks is, yeah. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to do a small video on if you decide to, a small video on if you decide to get this little thing. Remember, I have the box right here. So if you do decide to pick these up, this little box right here is your switchback. Right here in this little box. This is your switch. Oh, you can't see it, but yeah, this little box right here. Ah, come on. This little box is your relay box or your switchbacks that hook up. So, in case you ever want to get some, like I said, you just hook them up to your headlights. Depending on your wire, this is your switchback wire and this is your power wire right here. So yeah guys, I just want to hook these up. Like I said, I couldn't hook these up to my other headlights because I got those from a different maker, Simp Built. I got them from, yeah, Simply Built or Simp Built. I know I repeat myself, I hate that, but yeah, this is a quick little video now that I got these new headlights. And I also got these little brackets from LMR. They're stuck on there, all right. Maybe I got to do this whole thing, but anyways, okay guys. Another thing I want to ask, and I probably might make a short video, is that somebody reached out to me and told me that I should get clear lenses. I mean, clear tail lights for the Mustang. I just want y'all's opinion. Let me know if y'all can, please, when y'all see this video. Should I go ahead and get clear tail lights for the rear end, or just keep them the way they are right now? But let me know in the comments if y'all don't mind. I really do appreciate it. And I also want to give a very special thanks to every single one of y'all. I finally hit 500 subscribers, and I couldn't do this without y'all. Seriously guys, I really do appreciate it, man. If I can give hugs or high fives or shake hands to every single one of y'all, man, I really would, but I know I can't. But I promise y'all that if I was supposed to keep growing, I would have something very special coming to the channel. I would like to, I don't know, do a lot of giveaways, but right now that's something I can only hope for, to help out with the YouTube channel. But like I said guys, I just want to say thank y'all to each and one of y'all. Right now I'm at work. It's Thursday here, and I'm going to vacation here soon. But I just want to say thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate every single one of y'all. Like I said, if I can give y'all hugs, give y'all, man, 500 gifts, if I can give y'all gifts, period, man, I would. You know, if I can give y'all handshakes, I would. But thank y'all so much for the 500 subscribers. I know to y'all it may not be a lot, but to me it means the world. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. And like I said guys, thank y'all from the bottom of my heart.